Hey everyone, Sam the Miracle Man here. I trust all is well with you. Alright, today I'm here to remind you that you're not here to bake a cake. You're here to wake up. So typically when we bake a cake, we have a recipe and we have an order, a sequence that we follow. We make sure we get all the ingredients, all that stuff, like it's a process. To wake up, you simply start where you are. You just start by a simple little practice. You can start right here, right now. Feel your feet on the ground. Pay fully attention to that. That was it. That little practice was it. Because all you're trying to do when you wake up is put gaps into this crazy thought stream that's constantly dragging you in a loop, constantly reliving that past. Because if you're in these thoughts, you're not fully here. Your mind's this time traveler. It's always guessing at the future or dwelling on the past. But the way to wake up is to start wherever you are by putting gaps into the thought stream. The more gaps, the more inner peace. Then eventually the mind does settle down by the more gaps you put into it. So be noticing your feet on the ground. You could be wherever and just notice something around your surroundings and give it your full attention. Not give your attention up to here into this craziness, but give your attention to this moment, because this moment is all there is. And when you realize that this is it, that there's no future, there is no past. They only live in your memories. To realize the universe is right here, right now. The universe isn't dwelling in the past like, oh, you did this before. Oh, why'd you do that before? No, it's only up here in the mind. So remember, the point of power is always in this moment. So you don't need the recipe for this. The recipe is within you. You know how to wake up. It's right here. Listen to this. What should I do? What do I need to do next? But a lot of people, this is the procrastination, think they need to have books read, to do this, that, to go watch this video, go do that. All this busyness, and it doesn't serve you. To realize the best thing to serve you is to listen to yourself. Not getting lost up in here, but learning to be quiet and allow this intuitive voice to guide your way forward. I like to see that this is our lighthouse. It's always showing you the correct path, leading you to safety, if you will. All this craziness up here in the mind is constantly trying to slam you into the rocks. Just think about this. That most illnesses, diseases are stress-induced. They say stress is the silent killer. And stress is completely up here, generated up here. So you're really saving your life. You're saving yourself some misery. If you take the moment right here, right now, to say, how can I put a gap in my thought stream? But don't even do that, because that's a thought chasing a thought. Just be here. Just notice. What do you see? What are you touching? But that's all. We make this so complicated. And I was so fortunate not to have a teacher. Just learning to just sit there and just be. 5 minutes a day is how I began. But if I had a teacher saying, oh, I need to do this, that, or books tell me I needed to do this, that, and the other thing to wake up, I would still be lost in the mind. But to realize everything we need is right here, right now. You are the master of your destiny. No one is to blame. That you have all the power right here. And if you don't believe that you have the power, that's head trash. Saying you're not good enough, that you're not worthy, that you're not deserving. It's nonsense. Let that go and just be you. What can you do today to be fully here, right in this moment? All right. Bye for now. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.